Myself PV Ekhande, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering at Walcha Institute of Technology, Solapur. Here, today we will have the study related to the projections of lines. We will have the study related to the projections of lines. At the end of this session, student will be able to draw the projections of lines when certain details and or part of the projection of endpoints of line is given. So here we will consider the question in which the line AB has front view length 50 millimeter, true length 70 millimeter. The apparent front view inclination is 45 degrees. Draw the projections of line AB and find its true length with HP and VP, and consider point A 10 millimeter above HRP. So what is given over here? A line is given as AB, its true length is 70 millimeter and front view length is 50 millimeter. So when we consider the problem in which the front view length is 50 millimeter and true length is 70 millimeter, the apparent front view inclination is 45 degrees. So front view inclination means that is alpha. So that is alpha given as a 45 degrees. So it is 45 degrees. We have to complete the projection and we have to find the true inclinations with HRP and FRP. With HRP and FRP. Okay. So here we will consider the position of A as 10 millimeter above HRP and in front of FRP. So A point is given at distance 10 millimeter from both the reference plane. So we will consider above HRP distance 10 and below or in front of FRP as a 10 millimeter. So first step is to complete the XY line. First step is to complete the XY line, and with respect to this XY line, will locate the positions for the different points given. So A point is given at 10 millimeter. So we will have the position of A over here as a AF at distance equal to 10 millimeter. The other side, that is the top view point, is also at 10 millimeter. So that is the AH point. So that is the AH point. So with respect to this FH line, we have completed the position of AF and AH, which are end A of the line AB. Now in the question, true length is given, front view length is given, and apparent inclination of line is given with HRP, or that is the front view angle which is given. So here we can draw this front view angle 45 degrees with respect to this horizontal line from AF. So this is a line which is related to front view or front view length, because the apparent angle is given as a 45 degrees. So on this line we will be able to mark the distance 50 mm, which is front view length of line AB. So that is front view length of line AB. So we will take the distance in compass and mark that distance on this. So this is the point obtained as a BF. That is a point obtained as a BF. So front view is obtained. So this dark line indicates front view length, and that is a front view of the line. So that is a front view of the line. Now to complete the top view, we must use the other details which are given in the question. So apart from this front view, what is given? True length is given 70 mm. True length is given 70 mm. So we'll have the true length of this line after rotating this. After rotation, if we draw the line parallel, it can be showing, it will show the true length in the adjacent view. For that, we'll have the rotation of this front view. So when the rotation is taken, we are having the projection of this, and on the projection of this, say rotation of this, we are getting the position of B dash F point. So that is a B dash F point. Now here the line is parallel. So this indicates true length in the adjacent view. The data true length is given 70 mm, which can be marked on this side, on the top view side, by drawing the projector of this B dash F. On the B dash F, we'll have the projection, we'll have the position of B dash H, and for that purpose, we'll take the distance 70 millimeter in compass, and we'll have the marking of that 70 millimeter distance over here. So 70 millimeter distance radius from AH will give us the position of B dash H. So this is a true length of the line which we have obtained. So this is a line in the top view. Now once we get the B dash H point, we can draw the locus through this. So this is locus line. So this line is locus for B end of the line. So that is locus of the B end. On this locus, we will get the position of which point? BH point. BH point, and for that purpose, the BF is known to us. The BF is known to us. From that, we will draw the projection in the downward direction to have the intersection over here. We will have the projection of this BF, which is a front view point, and intersection over here, and intersection over here will be obtained as BH, that is BH. And now this line which is AHBH is top view of the line, and that is completion of the projections. Means we have completed the front view of the line, we have completed top view of the line. So that is a first part of the question, which is completion of the line projection. So front view and top view is completed. Now the next question which is asked over here is where to find out the true inclination with HRP and FRP. Where to find the true inclination with HRP and FRP. So HRP true inclination will be obtained on this side, that is front view side, opposite to H. That will be true angle made by the line with HRP. And true inclination with FRP will be obtained on the bottom side. So here we have completed true length line over here by rotating BF point and taking the projector in the downward direction and marking the true length. So here the angle of this true length line, this is an angle of the true length line with FRP, which is directly or here obtained earlier. So that is phi. So phi is the angle with FRP. So that measurement will give us the angle with HRP. Now to obtain the angle, true angle with HRP, is it necessary to rotate the BH point and get the true length over here? No. This can be obtained by directly taking the distance in compass as a 70 millimeter. So this true length which is given over here as a 70 millimeter will take the distance in that compass as a 70, and on this locus, the locus which can be completed with B end, on that directly we can have the marking of this. So this point will be B double dash F. So that is B double dash F, and the line completed over here. So true length line completed over here will indicate theta angle. That is a true angle made by the line with HRP. So that is true angle made by the line with HRP. Now you might have been understood here, it is not necessary to complete the rotation again. You can have the length in the compass and directly mark it on the locus completed through this B end. Have you understood it? Okay. So this is regarding projection, completion and finding the true inclination. This is angle with HRP, angle with FRP.